how to download and install free LUTs on Blackmagic cameras. Ever wonder why your raw Blackmagic footage looks flat and gray, while top-tier creators get that perfect cinematic look straight out of the camera? Today, I'm going to show you how to unlock the true power of your sensor by downloading and installing free professional LUTs. This simple process will completely change how you monitor your shots on set and save you hours of guesswork in the editing room. Hey everyone! In this video, we are diving into the world of lookup tables, or LUTs. Specifically, I'm going to walk you through where to find high-quality, free LUTs and the exact steps to get them from your computer into your Blackmagic camera's internal memory. This works for the Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, 6K, 6K Pro, and even the new full-frame 6K. Whether you're shooting in RAW or ProRes, this is a game changer for hitting your exposure and color marks every single time. Step 1. Find your files. There are plenty of reputable creators and companies like FilterGrade, Fresh LUTs, or Shutterstock that offer free starter packs. Once you find a pack you like, download the folder. You are looking for files that end in .cube. This is the industry standard format that Blackmagic cameras recognize. Step 2. Prepare your media. Grab the SD card, CFast card, or USB-C drive you use for recording and plug it into your computer. While not strictly required, I recommend creating a folder on the drive named LUTs to keep things organized. Simply copy and paste those .cube files into that folder. Once they've finished transferring, safely eject the drive and pop it back into your camera. Step 3. Import to the camera. Turn your camera on and tap the monitor icon at the top of the LCD to open the main menu. Navigate over to the LUT tab. You'll see the built-in Blackmagic LUTs, but we want to add our own. Tap the Manage icon, the one with the arrow at the bottom, then select Import LUT. Select your drive, find your files, and hit Import. Your camera will now save these directly into its internal storage. Step 4. Applying the look. Now that they are imported, just tap the name of the LUT in the list to select it. To actually see it on your screen, go to the Monitor tab in your settings and toggle Display LUT to On. Now you're viewing your scene with a professional grade applied in real time. Pro tip: just because you're viewing a LUT doesn't mean you have to bake it in. I always recommend keeping Record LUT to Clip turned off in your record settings. This allows you to see the finished look while you shoot, but keeps the raw, flat image for the actual file. This gives you 100% of the dynamic range to work with when you start your final color grade in DaVinci Resolve. And that is it. You've gone from a flat image to a cinematic preview in just a few minutes. If this helped you level up your filmmaking setup, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Blackmagic tips. I want to hear from you. What is your favorite go-to LUT for skin tones? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next